This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the browser hijacker called findyouranswers.co. Findyouranswers.co is a deceptive website that promotes this Find Your Answers browser hijacker. Also, these pop-ups by findyouranswer.co try to make you subscribe to their misleading and pretty intrusive web push notifications. This hijacker called Find Your Answers is classified as hijacker because it may change a lot of your crucial browser settings. For instance, the default search engine can be changed. And when you submit some search queries, you would get the results by some other search engines. Anyway, we recommend you to be very careful not to tolerate this browser hijacker. We also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin researching this system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.